Roads are shared spaces. Rules and regulations and the code of conduct are in place to facilitate a smooth and safe journey. The objective of this lesson is to enhance your knowledge about traffic rules and regulations and the code of conduct. This video will demonstrate how to observe lane discipline, regulate speed, maintain a safe following distance, and stopping distance. Lane discipline. One of the key rules and regulations which drivers must observe is lane discipline. You can only drive in the direction that is shown by the lane marking on the individual lane. Thus, you must form up in the correct lane well in advance before you get to a junction. While driving on a two-lane carriageway, you should always drive in the left lane unless you are overtaking, making a right turn, U-turn, or if the left lane is obstructed. If you are driving on a road with 3 lanes, you may drive in the center lane if there are slow-moving vehicles on the left lane. The right lane is for overtaking and emergency vehicles only. Drive within your lane and do not straddle lanes. Avoid changing lanes unnecessarily, such as when you are in a traffic jam. Regulating speed. While driving, you should regulate your speed according to the traffic conditions. Do not exceed the lower of the speed limit of the road or the vehicle. If you are driving a manual car, you should change the gear according to the speed you are traveling at. If you are driving an auto car, you should coordinate the accelerator and brake to enable you to drive at an appropriate speed for the traffic conditions. Safe following distance. Tailgating is when a driver drives too closely behind another car. It is dangerous to tailgate as you may not have enough time to react if the car in front brakes suddenly. You should maintain a safe following distance at all times by applying the 2-second rule in dry weather. To do so, after the vehicle in front has passed a stationary object, start counting 1001, 1002 to yourself. If you pass the stationary object before you finish counting, you should slow down as you are too close to the vehicle in front. If you are driving in wet weather, there should be a gap of 4 seconds between you and the vehicle in front. Safe stopping distance. To stop at a safe stopping distance, you must stop such that you are able to see the entire rear wheel of the vehicle in front of you. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. Which of the below statements about lane discipline is wrong? A. You can drive only in the direction that is shown by the lane marking.